Today's journey begins at Auckland Airport. I'm heading to Christchurch, one of the New Zealand's most beautiful cities, and the gateway to many South Island adventures. After checking in and making my way through the terminal, it's finally time to start the journey. The flight from Auckland to Christchurch takes just an hour, but the views along the way makes the journey feel much shorter. As we head south, the landscapes below gradually change, offering a glimpse of New Zealand's incredible scenery. After arriving in Christchurch, one of the first places I wanted to visit was Riverside Market. Located right in the heart of the city, it's a popular spot for both locals and visitors. Riverside Market is packed with food stalls and cafes. The atmosphere here is lively, and there's always something interesting to see around every corner. Whether you're looking for a quick snack, a full meal, or just somewhere to relax, Riverside Market has plenty of options. It's a great place to experience Christchurch food culture, all in one location. After spending some time exploring the market, it was time to continue discovering more of what Christchurch has to offer. From Riverside Market, I continued exploring the heart of Christchurch. One of the things that stands out about this city is how modern and welcoming it feels. Following the earthquakes of 2010 and 2011, Christchurch has undergone a remarkable build, creating a unique mix of historic charm and contemporary design. As you walk through the city center, you'll find public spaces, street art, cafes, and plenty of green areas that give Christchurch its relaxed atmosphere. One of the Christchurch's most iconic sites is the historic Tram. These beautifully restored trams travel through the city center, offering visitors a unique way to explore many of the city's key attractions. Even if you are not riding one, seeing the tram glide through the streets adds a special character to the city. After exploring the city center, I made my way to the Botanic Gardens. Established in 1863, these gardens are home to the thousands of plant species from around the world. It's easy to see why Christchurch is known as the Garden City. With its peaceful pathways, colorful seasonal displays, and beautiful trees, the Botanic Gardens offer a perfect escape from the busy streets of the city. After visiting the gardens, I headed towards Cathedral Square, one of the Christchurch's most well-known landmarks and a place that has played an important role in the city's history. One thing I really enjoyed about Christchurch is how easy it is to explore on foot. As you walk through the city, there's always something interesting around the next corner, whether it's modern architecture, public art, or a cozy cafe. As in the night, I found myself back at the Riverside Market. The atmosphere at night feels completely different from the daytime. The lights, the restaurants, and the evening crowds give the area a vibrant energy. It's a great place to grab dinner, relax, and soak in the city's nightlife. Whether you're visiting during the day or after dark, Riverside Market is definitely one of the must-visit spots in Christchurch. With the city lights shining and the streets full of life, it was the perfect way to end my day in Christchurch. From the bustling atmosphere of Riverside Market to the peaceful Botanic gardens and the historic streets of the city centre, Christchurch has already left a great first impression. And with that, in my second morning of the day, it's time to wrap up with today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed joining me on this journey from Auckland to Christchurch and exploring some of the city's highlights. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.